Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL. And today I'm going to try to make a pattern just from memory, really. My plan is that I want to make a bracelet with some leftover string from a previous project. And oh wait, already I'm messing it up. But I need the lightest pink to make a diamond. It's supposed to be a figure 8 in the middle. Like that. So then the other side will make the 8. Got it. I was like looking at it like, wait, that's not right. Okay. Darker pink comes around it. So yeah, I'm kind of doing this off of memory. I've done patterns like this a lot, but this is just a small amount of leftover string. And so it's going to be a really thin, really petite little bracelet. It'll be really cute. Okay, so now I'm going to go with the dark green. And I really don't need to do the whole thing. I just need to concentrate on the right-hand side and the rest will work itself out. So that's the dark green. The medium green will be just inside of it. And then the lightest green outside of that. And that means this red is going to go through here. We kind of mark off where that string is going. We can see it comes in, bounces off that medium, and comes back out. In case that wasn't clear, this medium green is zigzagging like this. So see how that has to bounce? That's how that works. All right, this dark one comes out here. So I'm making the darkest of these fades be the ones that use the most knots. And that will make the bracelet just a little bit, I wouldn't say vibrant, but like stand out a lot more. If the outer one was the lightest color, it would be a very light colored bracelet. Which wouldn't be wrong. It's a different look where the darker colors are in the center of it. And it just seems a little less predominant. Oops, over here. And then so I've made patterns like this before, usually with the strings that are doubled up. And so as a result, I kind of don't know exactly how many times it'll go through this, pattern. Like how many times will it get to the end? Because I've never done it quite like how this is. trying to fill in. I'm a little bit curious. So the lighter one. Oh, so it's a light green inside. All right. That means it'll be light green up here as well. That's kind of interesting. So normally when it's a 6 string, it would have ended with this red one here. But we have this extra space because it's thin. So that's essentially the bracelet. Now it's just a matter of sorting out which order the strings are in, so that way when I get this thing started, it'll turn into this. And then the dark green will be the next one. So it's starting out with the darkest pink and then the darkest green. And that connects to the green. Perfect. Middle green comes in, running parallel to the darkest one you can see. There we go. And we left off the lightest all the way down here. Oops. Hit the outside line there. It's good exercise to fill these things in anyways. It's good practice for designing a bracelet, as well as making sure there's no mistakes in the overall design. I can't tell you the number of times I was like, thought I had it all figured out, and then it's like, nope, that's not how it works at all. So, better safe. Okay. So we left off the medium one here. And then the light pink we left off way down here. So yeah, the way the colors start on this bracelet, definitely not intuitive. I would not have predicted this. Oh, we missed one. There we go. So it's the darkest red, darkest green, medium red, light green. It's alternating between the two, and it's slowly fading from the darkest to the lightest. That's crazy. All right, let's go ahead and get our select tool. Gonna zoom out so we can get it all in. There we go. We have selected the area that we've done. Copy, paste, and use our flip tool to flip that new layer we created right there. Now go up to layer, we anchor the layer and merge it down. Then we can copy the whole top half. Control C, Control V again. Flip tool. Flip it down. Layer, anchor, merge down. And there is our whole bracelet. Very, very cool. I like how the center is a little bit smaller. That's something that I've done out with the other bracelets before. Make this one the smaller one and then these ones bigger. And yeah, this should turn out really cool. I'm really excited about it. Before I go, I just want to thank my YouTube members for making this all possible. Their help with the string and the web pages and everything just keeps this channel going. So guys, thank you so much for that. And yeah, I'm gonna make up this bracelet here shortly, and we should have it tomorrow to see how it turned out. All right, so thanks for watching, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.